probably seen those mesmerizing Instagram reels from Norway, Finland, or Iceland. Travel influencers standing beneath skies glowing in shades of green, purple, and pink. The Northern Lights, one of the most breathtaking natural phenomena on Earth. And for most Indians, it is something that exists on a travel bucket list or an Instagram feed. So, why are we suddenly discussing your Insta feed today? Because for a brief moment, scientists believed those magical lights could become visible from India itself. Sounds beyond belief, right? Well, over the past 48 hours, that possibility has captivated scientists, astronomers, and sky watchers across the country as a powerful solar storm barreled toward Earth, sparking excitement over an extraordinary question. Could the natural lights actually become visible from India? And more importantly, did they? Here's what happened. It began nearly 150 million kilometers away on the surface of the Sun. A massive solar eruption hurled an enormous cloud of charged particles into space, sending it racing toward Earth. As the storm approached, space weather agencies issued a G3 or strong geomagnetic storm alert, an event powerful enough to disturb Earth's magnetic field and potentially push auroras far beyond their usual polar boundaries. Now, many of you must be aware of what it is, but for those who don't know, I'll explain it to you. So, auroras basically mean a natural phenomenon displaying vibrant, shimmering curtains of light in the night sky. That immediately sparked speculation because while the aurora borealis is normally confined to the Arctic Circle, intense geomagnetic storms can sometimes force this cosmic light show into much lower latitudes. And the result? A surreal display of shimmering green, purple, and crimson lights dancing across the night sky. And for a brief moment, an incredible possibility emerged. Could India get a front row seat to the Northern Lights? Experts pointed to the country's northernmost high altitude regions as the best candidates. Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, and parts of the Himalayan belt offered the most promising conditions, thanks to their elevation, dark skies, and minimal light pollution. Among the locations under close watch was Hanle in Ladakh, home to India's high altitude astronomical observatory. Scientists there monitored the skies carefully, knowing that powerful geomagnetic storms have produced visible auroras activity in the region before. But there was a catch. For the vast majority of Indians living in major cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata, the odds remain extremely slim. Light pollution, atmospheric conditions, and India's geographical position meant that even a powerful solar storm might not be enough to create a visible spectacle. Yet, the story was never just about colorful lights. Solar storms are among the most powerful natural events in the solar system. They can disrupt satellites, interfere with GPS navigation, affect radio communications, and in extreme cases, even impact power infrastructure. That's why scientists around the world were tracking this event so closely. And that brings us to the big question. Did India actually witness the Northern Lights? As of 9th June, researchers and sky watchers are still analyzing observations, photographs, and data from northern regions to determine whether any auroral activity was visible. So far, there have been no widespread reports of dramatic aurora displays across India, but the solar storm itself remains one of the most significant space weather events of the year. So for most Indians, the answer is probably no. Yet for a fortunate few standing beneath the dark skies of the high Himalayas, the possibility may have come closer than ever before. And perhaps that's the most remarkable part of the story. A storm born on the surface of the sun, A star nearly 150 million kilometers away had millions of people across India looking up at the same sky, hoping to witness a rare cosmic miracle. And for a brief moment, the northern lights didn't just belong to the Arctic, they felt almost within reach. And that's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and I am Tamanna Akhtar signing off for Times Now Digital. Until next time, take care and keep watching this space for more such videos.